Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I'll show you where to find the option and how to turn on the function to read a color's name aloud in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn on this function, we have to go to Settings first, then we are looking for Accessibility options here, and in Interaction and Dexterity we have Answering and Ending Calls menu, and in here at the top we have, as you can see, Read Color Names Aloud. When we go here, we can turn on this option, and as you can see, over Bluetooth or headphones we can use, or always a little customizable option. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.